Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today I am very excited for this content as I'll be doing the unboxing of the century. Yeah. So this content is the unboxing of my new toy. Wow! This is unboxing of the PlayStation 5 Disc Edition. But before we do the unboxing, I would like to say thank you to Toy Kingdom for giving the opportunity. Wow! To have this PlayStation 5. So thank you again, Toy Kingdom Philippines, as well as Toy Kingdom SM Purview. Ito na siya, ang PS5. Although 1 year ago na na-release ang PlayStation 5, but of course, I'm still excited to have this game console. So yeah, I'm curious ako dahil checking sa mga reviews and mga napapanood ko, of course, with other YouTube creators, na sobrang ganda talaga nitong PlayStation 5. And actually, I do have a PlayStation, but it's a PlayStation 2. So, hindi ako nagkaroon ng PlayStation 3, ng 4. So, from PlayStation 2 to 5. Kaya, malamang sa malamang, ibang-iba talaga ang quality ng games dito than the PlayStation 2. So, yan. Now, let's do the unfolding of this console. And in 3, 2, 1. There you go! PlayStation 5! So yan. So, ito na yung box. Medyo mabigat siya. Yeah. Alright. So, this is the PlayStation 5 box. Yeah. So, yan. Maganda naman yung packaging. Siyempre, maganda yung box. Of course, hindi ko siya sisirain. Dahil nandito nakasalalay ang warranty. So, yan. Ito yung front niya. Yan. You can see the PlayStation and the controller. Ayun, yung controller. It has 825 gig of storage. So, this is the side view. Wow, so white. And the back. So, yan siya. As well as the other side. So yeah. And again, this PlayStation 5, as we all know, it's an 8K device. So it could also add yung mga 4K natin na HDMI. So yeah. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do the unboxing. Medyo, kita nyo naman, masyado siyang malaki. Kaya, nakatayo tayo bubuksan siya. So, let's open it. And let's see what's inside. So, ayan. Ito raw ang tamang pagbubukas ng PlayStation 5 box. So, ito yan. Taran! So, we have here the upgrade an eligible PlayStation 4 game to the digital PlayStation 5 version. So, kung meron mga PlayStation 4, feeling ko, ito yung way kung paano siya ilalaruin sa PS5 console. But since hindi ako impacted nito dahil wala naman akong PlayStation 4, so, wala na to sa akin. So, yan. Put it away. So, ito na yung box na isa. So, ang content niya, so, andito yung the new controller ng PlayStation. Ito yung Bluetooth wireless controller. We also have here yung kanyang power supply na ito medyo challenging dahil wala akong adapter, pero madali na yan mamaya. Tapos, ano pa meron dito? So, andito rin yung kanyang kable, USB cable to charge tong controller. And user manual. So, yan. Quick start guide. Then, mayroon ditong safety guide. Okay, and what's this? Ano to? Mga cable siguro to. Hindi. Ito ay yung kanyang base. Yung base na meron kasamang screw. So, yan siya. And then, yung last na nandito ay yung HDMI cable for. And I think that's it for the first box. So, baba na ngayon natin siya.
A few moments later.
So, yan na. Binaba na natin siya. At dahan-dahan na ngayon natin siyang i-pull out from the box. Ilagay na ngayon natin sa ilalim yung box. At kailangan siyang itago, guys. So, wag na wag siyang sisirain. So, ito na siya. And now, let's do this. Let's remove na yung kanyang packaging. And here it goes. Let's unwrap it. Unwrap. Ayun! There's the PS logo. Ayan na siya. So, ito ngayon yung disc edition ng PlayStation 5. There you go, guys. Let's remove these cartons. So, yan na siya. Napakaputi. Napakaputi. Ayan, ito ang kanyang likod. So, sa likod niya, meron siya ritong mga ports. So, meron siya ritong LAN cable, USB ports. Ito yung kanyang HDMI, and saksakan ng power supply. So, yan siya. Napakaganda ng pagkaputi-puti niya. Nakakahinayang maalikabukan. So, yan. So, here you go. What? Whoop. Ooh, ang kintab ng black niya. Hi! Yun na nga, ito na yung ating PS5. So again, ang mga kasama niya rito, no? So it has of course the controller. So ito yung Bluetooth controller na nila. Sabi nga may mga vibration, mas magaang. Pero actually hindi ko siya kasi mako-compare from the previous version of the PlayStation, which is the PS4, since hindi man ako nagkaroon ng PS4. So but of course kung part na ng PS2, syempre ibang-iba ang feel ng controller ng PS5. Una, wireless. So yung kanyang Type-C, it's more on charging this controller. But then, once fully charged na siya, so you could play your game wirelessly using this controller. It also has itong kanyang stand para meron siyang suporta. Kasi syempre, kung nakatayo lang siya na walang stand, possible siyang bumagsak. Ayaw kong mangyari yun, di ba? Of course, yung mga other components niya, yung charger ng controller, yung HDMI cable, and the power adapter. So, yung power adapter, I need to have yung parang adapter niya rin dito in order for me to use dun sa aking mga sockets dito sa bahay. So again, yung sa PlayStation 5, so it has 2 USB ports, meron siyang LAN cable. Of course, it's running in Wi-Fi, so you don't need to have yung LAN. But for much more faster speed, especially kung mga pagda-download ng games, it's better to use yung LAN cable. Now, yung HDMI, which is ito yung connector niya going to your TV set, and the power supply. Yun yung nasa likod niya. Now, sa front naman, it has, I think that's Type-C. Type-C na pwede mong saksakan. Meron din siyang USB. So, nandito rin yung kanyang desk controller and yung ejection niya plus the power button. So, basically, that's it yung parts ng PS5. So, purely this content is just unboxing of this, but isa-setup ko siya dito sa living room. Kakabit ko siya dito sa TV na to. Yan. So, subukan natin yung games niya kasi ibang-iba raw ang game quality nito than before. Of course, kung PS2 pag-uusapan, sabi ko nga, talagang ibang-iba siya dahil ang daming generations na nangyari. So, yun. Now, this PlayStation 5 is actually a bundle. So, meron siyang kasamang games. So, ito yung mga freebies niya or kasama sa bundle. So, it has itong Final Fantasy 7 na PS5, of course. And, meron din siyang, well, yung isa niyang kasama is adventure game din. Itong Sackboy A Big Adventure. So, I don't know what's this game all about. But if you will see PS4 siya, so ibig sabihin, I could run PS4 disc or games in this console. So, isa pang freebie niya to protect the controller. So, meron siyang kasamang assist. Controller gloves. So, feeling ko ano to, parang silicone type siya na to protect the controller itself. So, yan. So, yan yung kanyang kasama sa bundle. And basically, that's it. So, since PlayStation 5, so, ito yung mga kasama yan games. Of course, hindi ko na pinalagpas. Total, nandito na rin siya. And ang talagang nilalaro ko lang naman in terms of sa mga game console, no? So, I do have yung Nintendo Switch, sa mga cellphone. Ito lang talaga nilalaro ko actually. This is the NBA 2K. So, kaya bumili na rin ako ng PS5 version ng NBA 2K22 na standard edition lang, hindi na yung special edition. Ngayon, I'll be setting this up and then for my next content siguro about this console, ano na siya, siguro i-share ko yung experience ko. Again, I'm not quote-unquote, I'm not a expert or hindi talaga ako maano sa mga game console to be honest. But I mean, this one, medyo na-intriga lang ako kasi nga, as mentioned, I do have yung PlayStation 2 before. I'm playing also yung NBA, so I do have yung 2K din from way before na NBA games. So, yan. So, I would like to experience then this new PlayStation 5. Yun, so may nakalagay sa box nga na play like never before. So, wow! So, yan. So, again, this is my unboxing of the PS5. Warning, wala pong nasirang karton o anumang bagay sa pag-unbox nitong console na to. So, yan. So, again, thank you for watching on this vlog. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Click notification bell button to notify you for any new videos uploaded. And, of course, if please share this video. So, yan. So, again, thank you so much for watching and bye! Set up ko na to. Yeah!